What's going on, Patriots? We're back at it again with another geometry question. This time, we're looking at the area of a circle. So previously, we were looking at circumference of circles or partial circumferences, which we call arc lengths. Now we're looking at the actual area or space taken up by a circle. All right. So if you've read the book or maybe you've learned this in an earlier math class, the area of a circle, there's a formula for that, and it is, let's write it here, the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Okay. And so we're going to basically use this formula and just kind of plug and chug, really. Okay. Let me zoom out. So for part A, we want to find the area of a circle with a radius of 8.5 inches. So that's basically telling us that r equals 8.5. And then we just substitute that in. So for part A, here, let's draw a picture. There's a circle, there's the center, and the radius is 8.5 inches. And so the area is going to be pi times 8.5 squared. And that's going to equal, let me grab a calculator. 8.5 squared is 75.25. So this is, sorry, 72.25. 72.25 pi. And then of course, if you just want to get it as a pure number, okay, we're going to multiply by essentially 3.14, roughly. And then you get about 226.9. So I'm just going to round that to 227. So this is approximately equal to 227. Okay. Now the units, what we're measuring here is not a length, but an area. And areas have square units. Okay. So since the linear units were inches, the square units will be square inches or inches squared. So, all right, SQIN, 227 square inches. All right, let's take a look at part B. So we want to find the diameter of a circle with an area of 153.94 square feet. Okay, so here is a circle. Okay. So this is a radius, and so the diameter would be 2 radii, right? Double the radius. Okay, so I'm just going to write r there, and then I'll write d there, right? The total length from side to side of the circle is that diameter. Okay, all right. So the formula for the area is that it's pi r squared, and we know what the area is, right? The area is 153.94. So we'll write 153.94 equals pi times r squared. All right, so the only variable left in our equation now is r. So we're just going to solve for r. And that's just algebra now. So I'm going to divide both expressions by pi, right? Anything divided by itself is 1. And so we get r squared is approximately, and I'm going to use my calculator to divide by pi. Okay, 153, you can't even see that, 153.94 divided by pi, which is approximately 3.14. It's about 49, okay, 49,000. So whoever created this problem, I guess, chose numbers so that it would come out to close to a whole number, okay. R squared is 49. Next, we need to get rid of the exponent. So to get rid of the second power, you take a square root. And good thing that 49 is a perfect square. So that we get a radius of about 7. Okay. Now, area is squared units, and that was squared feet. Okay, so the radius is just a length. That's linear units, so just feet. Okay, so our radius is 7 feet. Okay. So what that means in our picture is that the distance from center to edge is 7. And from center to edge is 7. So from edge to edge, 14, right? Diameter is double the radius. Okay, so the diameter is 14 feet. All right, there you go.